Hello, and welcome to Travel with Matt. If you're planning a long-haul trip soon, you may be wondering what items you should pack in your carry-on luggage. Packing for a long journey can be a challenge, but with a little planning, you can ensure that you have everything you need to make your flight comfortable and stress-free. In this video, I'll be sharing some essential items that you should pack in your carry-on luggage for a long-haul trip. Tip 1. First and foremost, make sure you have your essential documents in your carry-on luggage. This includes your passport, visa, if necessary, travel insurance, boarding pass, and any other important documents you may need during your journey. Tip 2. Pack comfortable clothing for your flight. Consider packing loose-fitting clothes that are made from breathable fabrics like cotton, bamboo, or linen. Wearing layers is also a great idea because the temperature on planes can vary, and you can easily remove or add clothing to adjust to the temperature. Tip 3. Another essential item to pack in your carry-on luggage is a pair of noise-cancelling headphones. These headphones will come in handy when you want to block out the noise from the airplane engines or other passengers. Tip 4. It's also essential to bring some form of entertainment, such as a book, magazine, or tablet. Long flights can be boring, and having something to keep you entertained will help the time pass more quickly. Tip 5. A travel-sized toiletry bag is also an essential item to pack in your carry-on luggage. It should contain your toothbrush, toothpaste, facial wipes, moisturizer, lip balm, and any other personal hygiene items you may need during your flight. Tip 6. For long flights, it's essential to stay hydrated. It's a good idea to pack a reusable water bottle in your carry-on luggage, which you can fill up after passing through security. You can also pack some healthy snacks, such as nuts, protein bars, or fruit, to keep you energized throughout the flight. Tip 7. If you are traveling internationally, it's a good idea to pack a travel adapter and charger for your electronic devices. This will ensure that you can charge your phone, tablet, or laptop when you arrive at your destination. Tip 8. Also, make sure to pack any necessary medications and prescriptions in your carry-on luggage. It's always a good idea to pack an extra set of clothes and underwear in case of any unexpected delays or cancellations. We hope these essential items we shared will help you pack your carry-on luggage for your long-haul trip. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Also, we'd love to hear from you. What are some essentials that you always pack in your carry-on luggage for long-haul trips? Please share your ideas in the comments below, and let's help each other make our travel experiences even better. Thanks again for watching Travel with Matt, and we look forward to sharing more travel tips with you soon.